So I solved with the algebra. Okay. Now let's have the next equation. When 12 is taken away from y, the answer is 22. So find the value of y. Okay. And there are 89 members. So basically, I need answer. Okay. So I need answer of all of you, from all of you. Okay. This is very easy question. So I am targeting minimum 50 answers. Okay. Right now we have the 10 answers, 20 answers. Okay. I can see 40 answers. Still more 10 answers I need. Okay. Yeah, we got the 50 answers. Okay. Still it is increasing 54. Okay. So it means like there are total 85 around people and 55 is answering. It means still there are 30 people are there. They are not getting this, right? Yes, Niro, can you please explain us this question? How to do slowly, okay? Yeah.
So the equation is y minus 12 equals 22.
Okay, you can stop over here and I can explain, then you can continue. Okay. So what they are talking about 12 is taken away from y. Okay. So as you can see, they are mentioning from y and taken away, it means what? Basically subtraction. Okay. So because of these words, from y, you have to take away 12. Okay. And answer is, because of this is word, it means it is equals to 22, right? Okay. Now Nirav, continue.
So now you go do 22 plus 12, which will equal 34.
Yes, so basically we can add 12 both the sides. So here minus 12 with the plus 12 will get cancelled, and on the right hand side it's 12 plus 22, or you can say 22 plus 12. So what we are going to get?
Y equals 34.
Yeah, so 34 is the answer. Very good, everyone. Now please remove your hands. If you have any doubt, keep. Otherwise, please remove your hands. So Janisha, what is your doubt? Janisha, do you have any doubt?
Sorry, I don't.
Okay, then remove the hands. Okay. Amanda, do you want to say anything? Then please mute. Okay. So let's move to the next question. Okay, everyone, let's have this question. This is also very easy. Who is going to answer me this question? Okay, let me. Samaida, can you please answer me this question?
M equals to 7 as 6 times 7 is 42.
Okay, so what will be the answer?
M is equal to 7.
Okay. Okay, so I think, okay, Arush, what is your answer?
My answer was 7.
Okay, so but in the chat box you sent me the difference. That is why I'm asking. Okay, nothing is to worry. Let's do this. And what they are talking about? They are talking about 6 times m. So that's very clear. 6 times m is 42. So this is very easy. Nothing is to worry. Instead of this, you can write 6m equals to 42. And directly, like you can divide by 6 both the sides. So you are going to get clearly m equals to 7, right? Okay, now remove the hands. Don't use the raise hand option. Okay, like you can raise hand if you have a doubt. Okay, otherwise you want to answer me, then you can use the chat box. Okay, yes. So who has a doubt? Amina, do you have any doubt? Please remove the hands if you don't have any doubt. If you have any doubt, then you can ask. Samir, what is your doubt? Kian, Isabel, please remove the hands if you don't have any doubt. Okay, well done. So let's move on the next page. Okay. And the next page is about what? 26 more than 6 times a certain number is 260. So what is the number? Neeraj, don't raise your hand. Okay. If you have a doubt, you can raise. Otherwise, don't do that. Okay. So please solve everyone this question. I'm waiting your answers in the chat box. Okay. Up to now, we received 35 answers. Okay. We are waiting for minimum 55 or 50 at least. We received 38 answers. So I think this question looks a little different compared to the last question because answers are not coming. Okay, nothing is to worry. Let's get solved. Okay, but before that, like 6 members are raising hands. Okay, so why you are raising hand? If you have a doubt or you want to answer this question, if you want to answer this question, then remove the hands. Okay, I will choose anyone. Okay, if you have a doubt, then keep the hands. Okay, so 2 members have the doubt. Okay, only 1 member have the doubt. Okay, then it's fine. So let's solve together. Okay, no one has doubt. Okay, that's good. So let me see, because there are total 88 members and only 56 answers received, and no one has doubt. So someone like have the doubt but not asking, but it's fine. So let me choose a one person, and I'm going to choose a name with let's say letter M. Okay. So Mayur, what is your process to do this? Yes, Mayur.
So I did 26 plus 6x equals 260.
Okay, wait. Now let me explain. Okay, then you can continue. Continue. Like, let me explain. Then continue. Wait. Okay. So six times a certain number. So let's say you are selecting any number, but I am choosing your name. So let's say I am selecting M. Okay. This is for you, Mayur. So six times
Yeah.
a certain number. So that is 6M. Okay. And 26 more than this, right? They are talking about 26 more than this. Okay. So it means what? 6M plus
Um,
26 equals to 260, right? Now you can
yeah.
continue. What will be the
So
next step?
then I did 260 take away 26.
Yes. So in the next step, you have to do this 260 take away 26. Okay. So what we are going to get?
234.
Okay. So 234. That's absolutely correct. And what you are going to do in the next step?
234 divided by 6.
Yes. 234 divided by 6 we will do. And what we are going to get?
39.
Okay. 6 times 3, that is 18. And like you have to sometime do the little bit division, okay, if you are getting confused. Otherwise it's fine, directly also it's possible. Okay, 6 times 3, that is 18 this way. Okay, there is nothing new. Okay, but you have to do, see, you know that 6 times 4, that is 24, so this is 5, right, basically, and this is 54, and we all know 6 times 9, that is 54. So like this, okay, sometimes short division or long division is required. If required, then do it. Okay, fine. So 39 is the answer. So thank you, Mayur. Very good. And now tell me if anyone have any doubt in this explanation. Okay. So no one have any doubt, right? Very good, everyone. So we can move on the next question. Okay. So let's have the next question. Okay. Yes. Samaira, please read this question.
Giovanna had £40 to spend on 12 candies. After buying them, she had £16. How much did each candy cost?
Okay, very good. Now please solve, everyone. Thank you, Samaira. Okay, continue solving. Okay, there are 88 members and we are targeting this time at least 60 answers. And I have received 4 answers. Okay, so I'm not starting, still I will not get the 60 answers. Okay, so let's see how much time you are going to take to answer me this question. Okay, we have received 50 answers. Okay, I'm waiting for 10 more answers. Then I can continue. So 55, last 5 answers. 56, 57, and so yes, I can see Nero is sending me answer for the 2 times. Nero, you are increasing my score like that way. Okay, no problem. Okay, nothing is to worry. Let's do these. Okay, so here we can see I am going to create. Okay, let me choose a person name with let's say P. Let's select name with P. Okay, if anyone have. Otherwise, we will check. Okay, is there anyone with P? No, no. Okay, so with T, okay, Tulsi, there is only one with the T. Okay, Tulsi, tell me how to do this question.
So first you're going to write out the equation, which is £40 take away 12x equal to £16.
Okay, very good. Now let me explain. Okay, see, whenever we are talking about what we are looking for candy's cost, right? So you can just mark is X. Okay, like we are considering the candy cost is the X. Okay, so after this, what you know already. Like she has how much? She had like 40 pounds, right? And after buying, she left with the 16, right? It means how many candies buying? 12 candy. Okay, so what could be the equation is pretty clear. Like either you can make, I can show you. Okay, like many types of format is there. For example, this is the cost of candy and this is the remaining amount. Okay, equals to total amount. This is also possible if you want to create this way. Okay, if you don't want to create this way, like you can create like I can tell you. Okay, see, you can create this way as well, like 40 minus 12x equals to 16. Okay, whatever remaining amount. So it's on you. Okay, how you are doing. Okay, fine. So nothing is to worry. Now, Tulsi, can you please continue? I'm
So
keeping
then
this.
you,
Okay.
so now you want to take away the normal the 40
16, right?
um I did 40 minus 12x equals to £16. So what I did was £40 minus 12x plus £40. So you have, and then since you do it on one side, you have to do it on the other side. So
Okay.
you do £16 plus £40.
Tell me, what is your final answer?
So I get 12x equal to £56, and then I divided 5
Okay. Tell me, x equals to what? What is your final answer? Cost of candy.
and £4.50.
Okay. So nothing is to worry. Let's do it together. Okay. Here I am explaining like she has this much only, right? So this is remaining amount. This is the cost of candy total, and it equals to 40 only. Okay. So this is the possible equation. Now you are taking away 16 from both the sides. So 12x equals to this. Okay. And that's why you are left with the 24. And it means x value is equals to £2. Okay. So £2 is the correct answer. Okay. Tulsi, £2 is the correct answer. Okay. And you can check as well. See how much candy they are buying. 12 times 2. Okay. So this is the cost of £24. And you have the total 40. So how much you are left with? 40 and 24 have the difference of 16, right? So it makes sense as per the question language, right? So this is the answer. Okay. Like if you create a wrong equation, then you will get the wrong answer. Okay. So be like very sure your equation is the correct, because equation must be the correct before solving the question. Okay. So take your time after making equation and just figure it out, is it correct or not? Because if you make in starting wrong equation, then you will going to get the wrong answer. Okay. And after getting answer also, there is enough time you can check by putting the values. Okay. Is it possible to get the 40 or not? You can sum them and you can check them. Okay, now raise the hand if you have any doubt. Anyone? Okay, so I believe there is no doubt. Okay, Mayur, what is your doubt? Okay, no one have any doubt. Okay, so let's have the next question. Question number 8. Yes, let me ask anybody to read this. Varun, can you please read this question?
Tyson cuts a 110 centimeter long wire into 3 pieces. Longer pieces is 30 centimeters longer than the middle piece. So the shortest piece is 10 centimeters shorter than the middle piece. What is the length of the shortest piece?
Okay, very good. So yes, everyone try to solve this question. This is good question. I believe everybody has to solve. Okay. So I'm giving you enough time. You have the 3 minutes to solve this. Okay. And that is more than enough. Yes, everyone, start solving. It's 2:33. I'm going to ask at 2:36. You have 3 minutes to solve. Okay. You have last 1 minute. Okay, so I can see enough answers, like still it is increasing, but I have received the 50 answers. Okay, so um let me check. Okay, let me check just because this is a long question and I am going to solve. Everybody is getting little bit different answers. Okay, so nothing is to worry. Let me explain this. Okay, and let's do it together. I mean, together it means I am solving here, okay, and you are going to observe me, okay. And then at the last, if you have any doubt, then you can raise the hand. So Tyson cuts the 110 centimeter long wire into 3 pieces, okay. So there is a basically there is a like there are 3 pieces, right? For example, if I'm putting like this, okay, fine. I am using the straight lines. Let's say if I'm using 3 pieces, okay, I don't know the lengths, that is I'm making right now the equal length, okay, but it's okay, like equal length, it doesn't mean they are equal. Okay. Okay, so what is that next is that the longest piece is 30 centimeter longer than the middle piece, right? So for example, I am considering this one is my longest. Okay, so let's say this is my middle one. Okay, so for middle one I am taking x, so the longest one is become what, x plus 30, and the shortest piece is 10 centimeters shorter than the middle. It means x minus 10. So raise your hand if you have a problem in this. Anyone have the problem up to now? This is the middle. This is the shorter. Okay. Or you can say shortest. Okay. And this is the longest. Okay. Anyone have any doubt up to now? you can raise your hand if you have a doubt. No one have any doubt? So if you don't have the doubt, then it's fine. Then I can start solving, okay? At the end, the total, I know that. Like if I will add all these spaces, I know. See, I'm putting the brackets, no need of brackets, but I'm putting brackets to get the idea. Like this is the first page, this is the second page, and this is the third page, okay? And that must be equals to what? 110 centimeter, okay? You have to check one thing, like this 30 and the total have the same unit. So yes, they have the same unit, so nothing is to worry, okay? So all we are doing whatever, that is correct. Nothing is the problem, okay? So here longest piece is 30 centimeter longer, that included. Now if you can see, the shortest piece is 10 centimeter shorter, that is also included, okay? Now what you can see here, x minus 10 plus x plus 30, okay? So what you can see here, you have to combine the like terms, so x and this x, okay, let me choose a different color. Okay, this 3x, if combined together, what is going to happen? Okay, this 3, okay? So this is clearly 3x, right? X plus x plus x. So 3x is there. Now, minus 10 plus 30. If you combine this two, what is going to happen? Okay, so it's clearly, that is minus 20, right? Yeah. Okay, so if I will write this, then that's plus 20, okay? My mistake, plus 20. Yes, plus 20, okay? Then that is equals to what? 110, okay, clear? Now after this, we have to solve the equation, and that is what? 3x equals to, and now I can continue here, 3x, and I am subtracting 20 from both the sides, so I am going to get the 90, okay? Now I am dividing by 3 both the sides, so I am going to get what? 30 centimeter, okay? What I have done in this step from here to here, I have done subtraction of the 20 both the sides, okay? Both sides, okay? And after this, from step number 2 to step number 3, or you can say line 2 to 3, what I have done here, I have done divide by 3 both sides, okay? So nothing new, not easy process only. Okay, so after this, I got the value of x, but what I'm looking for, I'm looking for the length of the shortest piece, right? So if I'm looking for the length of the shortest piece, it means what? I am looking for the x minus 10. Yeah, x minus 10. So that means how much? It is 30 minus 10. So it means it is 20 centimeter only, right? Clear everyone this one? Now raise your hand if you have any doubt. Anyone have any doubt? Okay. Fahadi, what is your doubt?
I have one.
No doubt? Okay. Khushi, what is your doubt?
I don't understand how you got 90 when you did 3x plus 20 is equal to 110 and then 3x is equal to 90.
Okay. So tell me one thing. Like you have the total of 110, okay? And if you are subtracting 20 both the sides, then what is going to happen? Have you remember, like whenever we have this type of situation, what we are doing?
One of the sides will be.
Remember, like whenever we have this type of situation, what we are doing? See, 110 minus 90, if we will, like, see, how we got the 90? We have to do the minus 20, okay? So if you do the minus 20 both the sides, you will get it, okay? Getting? Yeah, so 3x equals to 90, okay? Is it clear, Khushi?
Yes.
Yeah, so 3x equals to 90, okay? Is it clear, Khushi?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Mute yourself, okay? Yeah, sound is echoing, okay. Arohit, what is your doubt?
I don't understand where you got the 20 from.
Why I'm getting 10, like 20? Because minus 10 plus 30, right? If you are adding this, clearly, I am telling you, if you are adding this, what is going to happen? Minus 10 plus 30, that means how much, Arush?
20.
So that is why I'm writing here 20.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Thank you. Okay. And one more person, Pincheram. Okay, I'm not able to read your name, but tell me. Tell me what is the answer. Kaushal, what is your doubt?
My dad is why did you write short as x minus 10 equal to 30 minus 10 equal to 20 centimeters?
That is what I explained for Arush, right? You are not listening to me or what? That is I explained how I got the 20. Minus 10 plus 30 And if you do this clearly, like what is the problem here? You are not revising, okay? You are taking very easily these lessons. This is what we discuss on the day one, right? Yes, Moyuk, what is your doubt?
I don't understand how x minus 10, which is 20, plus x, which is 30, which is 50, then x plus 30 is 80, plus 50 is 130, not 110.
Okay, okay, let's check. Okay, you are not agree with what you are putting for x? You are putting 30.
30.
Okay, 30 minus 10, that's a 20, right? And
Yeah.
then 30. Okay, and then 30 plus 30, that is how much?
60.
60. So add this, how much you are getting, Mayur?
110.
So we are correct only, right? Why you are doubting the answer? Getting
I
clear?
got confused.
Okay, nothing is to worry. So everybody have the clear this. Let's move on the next question. Yes, please everyone solve this. And okay, I'm selecting one person who can read this. Yes, Apsira, please read this. Okay, no.
Two numbers have a sum of 60. The larger of the two numbers is 4 times the smaller number. What are the two numbers?
Okay, so please everyone solve this. You have the 2 or 3 minutes to solve this question, okay? Okay, everyone. So I think enough time provided by me. Let's start solving this question, okay? So here what we can see clearly, two number have the sum of 60. Larger of the two numbers is the 4 times the smaller number, right? So what are the two numbers they are talking about, right? So basically I can do this thing in a different way or easy way. Like for example, I have a two numbers, okay? Nothing is to worry. And the sum is the 60. So let's say my first number is x, okay? So the next number is going to be what? 60 minus x? Are you agree with this? Okay, okay, wait. Nothing is to worry. Let's do the simultaneous way. Yesterday we learned the simultaneous equation, right? So let's say your two numbers are x and y. So you all are agree with this, right? There is nothing new. Yesterday I told you I can do this way. The larger of the two number is 4 times the smaller number. So let's say I am guessing my x number is larger than y, okay? Because they are the variable. I am allowed to choose like who is greater. Okay, so I am choosing x is a greater. Now, if x is a greater, so if I want to make them x and y equal, where I have to multiply 4, I have to multiply 4 on the y side. Okay, because 4 times the smaller number, right? If I want to make them x and y equal, then I have to multiply by 4 on the right hand side. Okay, clear? Okay. So what is here now? The next thing is x plus y equals to 60 and x equals to 4y you have. So instead of x, you can substitute the value of 4y. 4y plus y equals to 60, right? So it's clear. 4y plus y, that is going to be what? 5y and equals to 60. So y equals to what you have? Y equals to you have the 12, okay? And once you know the value of y, that is the 12, you can figure it out what is the value of x. Here you can put the value of y, okay? You can substitute the value of y, and that is a 12. So 4 times 12, that is the 48, okay? So now keep your hands up if you have any doubt. Otherwise, please remove your hands. Yes, Chatresh, what is your doubt?
Sorry, I have no doubt.
Okay, Kaushal, what is your doubt?
My doubt is, when you did, so I understood that, 4y, but then I don't understand why I did 4y plus y.
See, the clearly arrow is there. Like I am substituting the value instead of x, I can write the 4y because they are equal. So here, as you can see, I am replacing x with the 4y. It's clear. Why you are not listening me while I am explaining? And it's also clearly shown the arrow. It means I am replacing x with the 4y. Khushi, what is your doubt?
Oh, thank you.
Okay, question. Yes, Khushi, tell me, what is your doubt?
I'm not sure how to
Yes, Khushi, tell me, what is your doubt?
I'm not sure how to make the equation when I'm doing it.
Okay, you can mute. Sound is echoing. Okay. So I'm explaining that one. Okay. See, they are telling you two numbers have the sum of 60, right? It means you have to take two numbers. So let's say you are taking x and y, right? And we learned that by if just focus on this first line, okay? Sum of two number, and you don't know those two numbers, so you are allowed to take any variable. So you are taking x and y. and in between you are putting sum because they have written here, and they are saying sum is 60. So you are allowed, like you are able to make this equation, right? Show me thumbs up if clear this one. First thing, clear up to this question? Okay, well, then what the next line? The last.
Yes.
Okay, keep mute and just use the sign language. Okay, otherwise echoing is there. Don't unmute. Stay mute. Okay. The larger of the two number, 4 times the smaller number. Okay. So if I'm saying my x is a larger, okay. If I'm saying my x is a larger, it means what happened? Y is a smaller number, right? Yeah. Y is a smaller number. So if I'm equating x and y, then how I can equate them?
Y is a smaller number. So if I'm equating x and y, then how I
Please
can
mute
equate
yourself. Please keep mute. Your sound is echoing. Okay. Kushi, please mute.
yourself. Please keep mute.
Okay, fine. So are you able to make this equation x equals to 4y? Clearly, show me thumbs up if it's clear. Okay. So here you are going to get 4 times y, and that is equals to 48. Okay. Yes, clear. So is there anyone who has still any doubt? Okay, no one. Then let's move on to the next question. Very good, everyone. Let's have the next question. Okay. And let me choose a person who is going to read this. VVS, please read this question.
James rented a bike. Renting a bike costs £30 plus £2 per hour. James paid £50. For how many hours did he rent the bike?
Okay. So now please solve, everyone. Okay. So enough time provided by me, and now okay, last 1 minute. Okay, last 1 minute I'm providing because I cannot see many answers in the chat box. So let's see. Wait for more answers and then we can start solving. So I'm choosing a person, and that person is going to guide me like how to make equation and what to do. Yes, tell me.
Wish to start by doing 50 minus 30.
Okay, wait little bit. Okay, so James rented a bike, and renting a bike costs £30 plus £2 per hour. Okay, so basically, okay, fine. James paid £50. So for how many hours did he rent the bike? Okay, maybe what is your answer for this question?
I got 10 hours.
10 hours. Okay, and okay. Let me choose one more person so we can let me check the chat. Okay. Arjun, can you please tell me like how you what is your answer?
I got 10 hours.
Okay, you are also getting 10 hours. Okay, so here what we have, the renting a bike costs £30 plus £2 per hour. Okay, so if we will make a equation, that is the cost. Okay, so cost equals to what? There is a first of all the fixed charge. Okay, and the fixed charge is what we have. That is the cost. Fixed cost is the £30. Okay, and then you have the £2 per hour. Okay, so this is per hour. Okay, so here you have to multiply the number of hours. Okay, that is why I'm putting h. Okay. Now, how many hours we are looking for, that we don't know, but you know this is the total equals to 50, right? So 30 plus 2h. Okay. So from here it's very clear. 30. I am subtracting both the sides. So what is going to happen? If I am removing the 30, or I am saying take away 30 from both the sides, then it's very clear. 20 equals to 0 equals to 2, like 20 equals to 0 plus 2h. Okay. So 20 equals to 2h. And now here you can divide by 2 both the sides. So if you divide by 2 both the sides, then you are going to get h equals to 10. And that means 10 hours. Okay. Clear, everyone? If you have any doubt, please raise your hand. Okay, one hand is there. Let me check who is that. Spandan, what is your what is your doubt?
I didn't have one, sorry.
And why you are raising your hands? Okay, nothing is to worry. Let's have